Hey gang, what we now want to look at is the decision tree that we have regarding how to solve the type of opinion we're going to render. Now we have two different types. We have the unqualified, which is for the issuer, and we have the unmodified. Notice, unmodified is for the non-issuer, the privately held company. So that's when you have no material problems whatsoever. Now you're in good shape, you believe the financials are okay, you did enough audit, boom, that's where you go. Now, if there is a material problem, then we have to go down on the decision tree. If it's a GAAP problem, it's an except for. If it's an audit problem, it's also an except for. Then if we have a material and pervasive, I also refer to this as a very material problem. Then if it was a GAAP, material and pervasive, we go to adverse. If it happens to be an audit issue that's significant, and I use that word because independence, you either are or you're not. Or maybe it was you couldn't get enough evidence and it was a very material area of the financials. Then we go to disclaimer. And don't ever forget, we have the withdrawal. The withdrawal of the financials from the financial audit is when they're false, deceptive, or misleading. Now we have a little odometer also that we use, and also basically that odometer just kind of goes to the left and right. But let's talk a little bit more about each of these areas. Pointing out, as you look at this, at the very top, when you're on top of the world, you have no problems, then unqualified, right? In other words, there's no problems, is if you're a publicly traded company. Unmodified is if you are a non-issuer, a privately held company. Those are permitted when you don't have problems. But once problems start to weigh you down. And we go down to, if it's a GAAP problem, it's a qualified. If it's an audit problem, it would also be a qualified. An example there would be, we couldn't confirm receivables. It's not going to destroy the whole financial at year end, but it's material enough that we have to mention it. Then if we get down to material and pervasive obviously says adverse opinion for a GAAP, and audit, it's really a better word would be significant, because if you lack independence, it doesn't matter by how much. That's a significant problem and you have to disclaim. And of course, at the very bottom, you're way out of it and you withdraw when the statements are false, fraudulent, deceptive, or misleading.